Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today I am here to explain a little bit difference between double equal to and triple equal to in JavaScript. Most of the people are confused with this topic. So before discussing this topic, we must know the basic definition of JavaScript, that JavaScript is a loosely typed language, which means we don't have to declare variables type at creation, and a variable can change types afterwards. So first discuss this definition with the use of a little bit example. So try to understand this. First I'm going to declare a variable in JavaScript. Let var1 is equals to 2. Here we have declared a variable var1 and assigned a value to this variable var1. Here we did not use any data type like int, float, double, etc. That's why That's why we can say that JavaScript is a loosely typed language, which means we don't have to declare variables type at the creation. Means जब हम ये variable create कर रहे हैं उस टाइम पे हमें उसका डेटा टाइप मेंशन करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. That's why we can say that JavaScript is a loosely typed language. Okay, to a computer the character 2 which is number, and 2 enclosed with a double inverted comma, it's a string, are entirely different. Using the triple equal to operator, we are trying to determine if two items are exactly equal, which means they must match in types and values. So let's try to understand double equal to and triple equal to differences with the use of example. Okay, let var2 is equals to 2. It's a string. Write a condition. If var1 double equal to var2, console.log value of var1 and var2 is true, else console.log value of var1 and var2 is false. So let's try to run this program and see the output what we will get. Value of var1 and var2 is true. Why? var1 and var2 is true because double equal to operator, simple, we can say that double equal to operator checks only value, not the type. That's why we are getting if block statement. Okay, now try to understand triple equal to, comment this, run this, triple equal to. Let's see what we will get output. We will get value of var1 and var2 is false. Here else block is executed, not the if block. So we can say that triple equal to operator checks two things. First one is value and second one is type. तो ट्रिपल इक्वल टू जब हमने यूज किया है उस टाइम पे वेरिएबल 1 और वेरिएबल 2 की वैल्यू चेक की. वेरिएबल 1 की वैल्यू 2 है, वेरिएबल 2 की वैल्यू 2 है, मीन्स इट विल बी ट्रू. बट वेरिएबल 1 की वैल्यू 2 है, दैट इज इंटीजर, एंड वेरिएबल 2 की वैल्यू वेरिएबल 2 की वैल्यू स्ट्रिंग है, दैट इज फॉल्स. मीन्स फर्स्ट कंडीशन तो आपकी इस केस में फर्स्ट कंडीशन आपकी ट्रू हो गई और सेकंड कंडीशन टाइप के केस में आपकी कंडीशन फॉल्स हो गई. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर गेटिंग else block statement, not the if block statement. Okay. If we instead use double equal to, JavaScript will try to convert them to the same type and then compare them. अगर हम डबल इक्वल टू यूज करते हैं तो JavaScript क्या करता है, इस टाइप को यानी कि इस स्ट्रिंग टाइप को वो स्ट्रिंग टाइप को वो क्या करेगा, कन्वर्ट कर देगा और उसके बाद में फिर वो कंपेयर करेगा. फॉर टू डबल इक्वल्स टू स्ट्रिंग 2, JavaScript converts the 2 to a number 2 before checking if they are equal, which is why we get true. This is safe. The triple equal to comparison is almost favored over double equal to because it is more explicit and prevent unintended bugs. Okay, I hope you will get all the clearance about this topic. Thanks for listening.